Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, فبعث الله غرابا يبحث في الأرض ليريه كيف يواري سوءة أخيه قال يا ويلتى أعجزت أن أكون مثل هذا الغراب فأواري سوءة أخي فأصبح من النادمين. Translation: Then Allah sent a crow digging the ground to show him how to hide the dead body of his brother. He said, "Woe to me! Am I not able even to be like this crow and to bury the dead body of my brother?" Then he became of those who regretted. Since this was the first death on this earth and no one died before Habil, so after murdering his brother, Qabil could not understand that how should he dispose of the corpse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent a crow and he was digging the land with his beak or trying to bury another crow, and this gave an idea to Qabil that he should dig a grave and bury his brother. He got the idea, but he also regretted that he is even worse than this small animal who knows how to bury his brother or how to dispose of a corpse. An important point to understand that his regret was not on his sin that he did killing his brother, but his regret was on his helpless situation where he was not able to dispose of the corpse of his brother. The scholars have written that Habil was the first murdered person and first person who died, and nobody died before him, and that is the reason his brother Qabil was carrying his corpse somehow, and he was in a miserable position because he had other animals around him that eat the dead animals. So if he throw the corpse, they will eat him up. And when he saw that one crow is burying another crow, he found out that that is the way the corpse should be disposed of. And in majority of humanity, this has been the practice of disposing the corpse despite of different religions and different customs that most of the people bury their dead ones, except in India where the polytheists burn their dead ones. Another exception is in the Parsis that hang their dead one in high towers so that vultures may eat the corpse up. But the dignity of human being is in the fact that whenever someone dies, he should be buried in the ground. The human body is made from the dirt and should go back in the dirt, and once in the dirt, once in the grave, the human body decomposes and becomes part of the dirt. All the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had the same way that they buried the body in the ground. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.